3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 23 officially underway here on the Curie division. Looks like we've got a handful of game pieces being scored on both of these alliances. Everybody scoring on level 4 pieces of coral. Looks like Blue Alliance is going to maintain an early lead with their pieces of coral taking the slight advantage. They've got 7 pieces of coral to the Red Alliance 5, 4, 5. 2046 trying to toss up another one, and that'll land right into the middle. Red Alliance robots quickly ripping away all of the algae out of their reef and directly into their barge. Looks like we'll have 2 out of 3 being scored, 1 courtesy of the human player, straight from the processor. The human player for Red's gonna make another free throw attempt as well. A great job to them. Blue Alliance maintaining the lead here with a score of 97-72 with a little over a minute and a half left to play. 17-71. Taking a piece of coral out of their robot by doing some spins. 88 TJ squared, dropping off another piece of coral up on the level 4 of the reef. They're gonna cycle back and forth and reach themselves on up to fill another empty slot. Their partner is 88-84, the Night Owls, making short work. Blue Alliance got a lot of 88s going on. Their partners 88 and 88-84. Scoring in tandem with each other. They're going to fill in those empty slots on the Blue Alliance reef. Blue Alliance maintaining a lead of about 20 points with a little over a minute left to go. Both of these teams have put algae into their processors to trigger the cooperation bonus. That reduces the coral ranking point threshold to 7 pieces of coral on only 3 levels instead of all 4. 2046, the bare metal machine racing between the feed station on the floor to the empty slots of the Red Alliance reef, moving on over between slot for slot for slot, trying to find an empty space. Their partners 31-75, Night Vision racing on over to try to complete some level 4 slots as well. Red Alliance is still within striking distance with less than 20 points left to go. A couple of game pieces scored on level 4 is going to make the difference for them for 5 points apiece. 2046 tossing up a piece of algae up into the net, going for another free throw attempt. Can they make it 2? Yes, they can. That means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to start shifting their focus over towards the barge. 2046 bare metal up and out of the barge, but they're going to shift their focus over towards the cages. Looks like Blue Alliance are going to try to raise themselves on up. 88-84 is up in the air. 17-71 up in the air. Can TJ Squared join them? Can we see all 6 robots up off the ground? Looks like we are very close. We're 5 for 6. Blue Alliance with a score of, wow, 244 to 221. Both very high scoring matches on either side of the field. Lots of coral being filled, lots of algae being scored. 1771 gonna hold strong at number